The OGERY Tabletop Fire Pit ET-001 offers a versatile design that can be customized into various shapes, providing a dynamic and creative centerpiece for any setting. Its convenient lower shelf is perfect for storing treats like cookies and marshmallows, making it an excellent choice for those who love s'mores and entertaining guests. This portable and easy-to-use fire pit is ideal for outdoor activities thanks to its compact design and simple setup, which make it a great companion for camping trips and gatherings. With its clean and smokeless operation, it is suitable for indoor use, ensuring a pleasant and warm atmosphere without compromising on air quality. The beautiful flame effects created by the variety of shapes enhance the ambiance, making it a perfect addition to living rooms, patios, and social events. As a thoughtful gift, the OGERY Tabletop Fire Pit is perfect for new homeowners and those who appreciate stylish patio decor, adding charm to any occasion.